its interest rates, but the Fed did not take any action. So I guess investors are again back in wait-and-see mode to see how the picture in the global economy turns out. Now it's time for our Market 101 segment. We are joined by Angel Mercado, President and COO of Accord Capital. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Warren.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
Okay, this morning we are talking about why Filipinos are still not involved in the stock market. Why so many people don't even know about the stock market or don't even approach investment. Why do you think this is so?
Well, two things. Number one, information. Number two, accessibility. And these are the two main things that the PSE is trying to address right now. The PSE and our company, Accord Capital, has been very active in coordination and cooperation in bringing education and information to the general public about the stock market. And the accessibility, meaning the PSE has also branched out. It has a satellite office already in Cebu, planning a satellite office in, again, De Oro and Davao. And as Accord Capital via Philstocks and some other brokerage houses has also been involved in the online stock trading, so that people who has access to the internet can also access the stock market.
Yeah. You know, when you go out in the public and you ask people about the PSE, the stock market, you ask them why they're not involved. They give you some reasons. You know, they say, it's only for the rich. They don't want to risk their money. Why is that the common thinking in the public, out there in the public?
Yeah. But before they say that, almost everyone would say, you know what, I really wanted to get into that. I really wanted to know about the stock market, but I think it is only for the rich. It is only for those who knows how to understand all those numbers running there. So it's the myth. Unfortunately, that is not true. You know, if you are somebody with some savings that you can afford to invest, or if you are somebody who wanted to invest into a business, actually, stock market is for you, because it is one kind of a business that is very, very easy to get into, and it is also very safe, because it is one of the industries that I have seen in my career that is highly regulated. Highly regulated meaning you have PSE, the SEC looking at the operations of the brokerage houses, and you cannot just get into business if you are not a brokerage house, or you cannot buy any stocks from anybody unless you do it to a brokerage house only. So it is very, very safe to get into.
Right. Okay. There's also that myth that some people equate the stock market to some sort of organized gambling. We all know that's not true. But why do you think people think that way? Why they have that perception?
People think it that way. It's because they think that only very few are in the market. Unfortunately, that is not true, because also in other industries, like you can hear that there's a rice cartel too, oil cartel, right? So, like I said, this is highly regulated. You cannot control the market if you, for example, if you are a group, or if you are a group that wants to control the market, you cannot, because the PSE, the SEC is always breathing at your neck.
Right. Yeah. Let's talk about Accord Capital's initiatives to help bring more people into the stock market, or spread the knowledge about the stock market. What are you guys doing right now?
Well, for one, we have a regular seminar for people. An entry-level seminar, a mid-level seminar, and even an advanced course to teach anyone who wants to learn about the stock market. We do it every Tuesday and Thursday afternoon at the ground floor of the Tectite Tower, PSE in Ortigas. You can just go to the ground floor and look for Accord Capital. We do it every Tuesdays and Thursdays, but we can also do it for certain groups. Like, for example, we go to a group of doctors, to a group of Rotarians, and then we conducted those seminars for them.
Okay, let's talk about your online, your website. How much money do you need to actually get started trading on your website? Okay,
see, www.Philstocks.ph. That's the website, no? Our online trading platform, Philstocks, will let you start trading for as low as 5,000 pesos.
There you go.
So for people who just wanted to try it out first, who just wanted to get the feel of it first, they can get into the market for as low as 5,000 pesos, and then they can, of course, increase it as they gain confidence in what they are doing. And this is our way of encouraging people to get into the market.
Right. But making it so easy to access, making it so easy to trade online. Aren't you worried that people might just jump in half-heartedly or without knowing the right technical information, and might even lose a lot of their money?
That's the reason why they have to enroll, and we have to take a look at their account information form, and then we have to train them first.
Right, right.
Okay, and then we make them. We provide them with the tools like research and even charts in our website. That would help them in making their decisions.
Yeah, I asked that question because the traditional broker, you're actually talking to somebody, and before you make the sale, you can actually ask them for advice.
Correct.
Or they can tell you what's going on with the stock at that moment in time before you make the purchase.
Correct.
Do you have some way of helping your online customers, or do you have that human element to add that human element to your online trading?
Okay. For one, if you are trading online, the house is not allowed to give you recommendation. You have to do it on your own. That's why we provide you with all the updated, up-to-date, real-time research, update about the market, okay, and also the tools.
Yeah.
Okay. So for when you do it via your agents, your traders, you can actually do it two ways. In our case, Philstocks, but you pay a little bit more.
I see. But I understand you also have a 24/7 customer care line that online people can call. What does that line give to the investors? What do they?
Well, basically, again, our 24/7 call center cannot give you recommendations what position to get into, what to buy, what to sell, at what price. But what they do is they can, if you have problems like, for example, logging in, if you have problems like asking about your portfolio, how much is this, how to open the website, how to open your account. That's the kind of thing that we answer in our 24/7 call center. But do not expect us to tell you tomorrow buy San Miguel. No.
Yeah. Just read the prospectus, read the information available on the website.
Correct.
All right, we're going to have to leave it at that. Thank you very much for joining us this morning.
Thank you very much, Ryan.
Thank you. That's Mr. Angel Mercado, President and COO of Accord Capital. Moving on to the foreign exchange.